Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension very much useful for search engine optimization. So you can actually search in different countries in different languages through Google. This extension allows you to simulate that Google search from any country and language. The simple name is this Global Search Simulator. Perform Google search in any country and language. I've already installed it, so now the icon simply appears like this as you see that. So you simply click on the extension and it actually allows you to search for a specific query. Let's suppose I say mark sheet generator, and right here you can search your country and language. Let me select a country. Let's suppose I am searching in Canada, and you can even change the language as well. So by default, English will be selected. So if I perform this search, so it exactly searches from this country and from this language. So right here, let me change the language. So you can even perform search side by side as well. So one search from a different country, one search from a different country. So now at the same time, let me perform right here from Algeria and Canada. So I'm performing these two searches from two different countries in two different languages. So as you now see, this is a very useful Google search Chrome extension which allows you to do this. So you can select your country, click on perform search. So just make sure that you're not performing too much searches from a single IP address because it can get blocked as well. So just select your country and language. So right here, you simply click on the extension and fill out the details search query. So now as you see, it exactly shows you the search results. You can change the country as well, change the language. So we can see the language has been successfully changed. Let me change the search time. Let me change the country. So definitely check this extension out, Global Search Simulator.